stand strong together, working as one, we're better. Reach out your hand to sisters and brothers. It doesn't matter the race or the color. People in need, get on your feet. We'll climb this mountain. Do not be scared, we will get there one way or another.
I don't wanna hear no more sad poems or songs of how it could be better if we all got along. All they're asking for is clothes to put on, just enough food to eat before it's all gone. No time to debate who's right and who's wrong. Man-made or from God, someone tagged all along. In a time like this, I know you wish you had pride to tuck in, because pain is the hardest thing to hide. In the most strangest ways, it shows in your eyes, and I don't want to see that. I just want to see you smile.
Let's stand strong together, working as one, we're better. Reach out your hand to sisters and brothers. It doesn't matter the race or the color. People in need, get on your feet. We'll climb this mountain. Do not be scared, we will get there one way or another.
I have no faith in humans being perfect, but I have faith in unity. Peace told me it was worth it. It's working because I see the world scrambling and hurting just to stop her from choosing which child to save. Imagine how much difference the rest could have made. And if they were alive, they'd be waiting for aid. And if the aid is running out, what can you say? There are leaders and followers. There's just followers today that will lead a nation, all from the support that you gave.
Let's stand strong together, working as one, we're better. Reach out your hand to sisters and brothers. It doesn't matter the race or the color. People in need, get on your feet. We'll climb this mountain. Do not be scared, we will get there one way or another.
There's a famine going on in East Africa today. We urge you, alongside the global community, to stand up and deliver relief to those who are suffering.
Kajog and the Poet Nation are sponsoring Abdi Phenomenal to go to the refugee camp in Dadaab. You can start giving right now by going to kajog.org or thepoetnation.com.